Hi guys, my name is Kobe.
Yeah.
Into my airplane
There's
to China.
Yeah.
What do you want to be with?
Japan.
What do you want?
Hi, my name is Kobe Kaya. My dada peaceful. Okay. Save Welcome to Japan.
Why so foggy this winter?
Hi.
We're so high.
Touchdown Osaka with my Kobe. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys, my name is Kobe.
Yeah.
Into my airplane
There's
to China.
Yeah.
What do you want to be with?
Japan.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
A passenger.
A passenger na lang. Kanina, a pilot. A pilot. Hi, everyone. We're in. Where are we? Show them.
Japan.
Japan.
Baby.
Sobrang convenient nitong mom cozy na dapat dati pa pala ako nagganto. Sarap sa likod.
We're back at Osaka. Back where it all started. Tapos si Kobe, tignan nyo. Oh, ayaw pa mag-jacket. Ayaw mag-jacket yan. Hoy, stay here. Kukunin ka ng robot, bahala ka.
Hi.
Hi.
Emmy.
You update them. Hi everyone, we're now at the van.
Oh, go.
Oh, go.
Hi guys. My name is Kobe. Thank you.
We're now going to the hotel.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay, say see you later.
See you later. See you later.
Tapos dalawang taxi.
Oo nga, no?
Tokyo? Ng Tokyo.
Pati yung sana sa barrier.
Guys, tignan nyo sila oh. Walang tigil-tigil yan. Walang traffic sa toll gate. Mabilis pa sila. Pass-through na nga lang eh. Hi.
I like ramen.
Oh, you like lamig.
We like Japan.
Is it thumbs up? Is it thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Oh, thumbs up.
Thumbs up, Gabriela.
Kobe, that's our hotel, oh. Over there.
Dad, I love this moment. Can you hug me?
Oh, look at the train, Chobs.
Hug.
Hi, Kobe.
Can we have a family hug?
Family hug. Oh, kiss dad.
No.
Oh, kiss dad. Kiss dad. Can you kiss dad?
Sarap na niya kasama, no?
Sarap ng area namin, ah. Ang daming food, daming kainan sa baba, tapos mall pa. Hi, Kobe. Do you like lamig?
Yeah, look at
You
us.
like lamig, ah. You like lamig, ah. Oh, it's lamig, no,
Come on.
Coops? Ganda ng room.
Kobe! Dad!
Ganda ng room, first night. Kaka-check-in lang. Kain na kaagad. So, namili sila nito.
Si Kobe, pagkadating dyan.
Saan?
Kobe, pagkadating jump agad doon sa bathtub. Tapos binuksan yung shower, nabasa yung coat ko, nabasa din siya.
Ito nga palang hotel namin. Santara.
Sobrang lamig nito.
Sobrang lamig niyan. Hindi pinainit.